Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about utilization of resources. Utilization of resources depend upon many factors. Like they depend upon availability of resource. कहाँ मिलता है, source कहाँ पर है, skill of human beings, availability of capital, money होना चाहिए, availability of water, there should be sources of water, and definitely the next one is technology, transport, and communication. And those countries which are having such resources, they are known as developed countries like USA. Those which are lagging behind the developed countries, they are in developing states, they are known as developing countries. And example is India. And those who are at the bottom level, they are known as underdeveloped countries. Next we will discuss about classification of resources. Resources are classified on the basis of renewability, origin, occurrence and development. We will discuss one by one. On the basis of renewability, they are divided into renewable, non-renewable. On the basis of origin, biotic, abiotic. Biotic means living, abiotic means non-living. Those which are having life, they are known as living. Those which are not having life, they are known as non-living. On the basis of occurrence, they are divided into natural and man-made resources. Water, mineral, etc. are natural resources. Buildings, etc. are known as your man-made resources. One more type of classification is potential resource and actual resource. Potential resources are those which are not fully tapped, and actual resources are those whose quantities have been calculated. So we should have sustainable development. What is sustainable development? Development without damaging the environment. To have sustainable development, we should use the renewable resources judiciously, we should minimize the depletion, we should conserve the varied species. Two countries are utilizing the resources to maximum extent. They are UK and USA. So we should conserve the resources. And what is conservation? Optimum utilization of resources in a sustainable way is known as conservation. So we should follow 5 R's: reduce, refuse, recycle and rethink.